I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the remote repository and setting the local Git track. Explain why. It gives a single source of truth for collaboration. Once done, add a sensible. Git ignore to exclude data and large binaries, choose a license, and write a one-paragraph README. Then initialize Git locally, add your core notebooks, scripts, and commit. Make the first push to main and confirm the remote shows your files so teammates can clone and reproduce immediately. Now you structure the project so others can follow. Explain how folders separate concerns, keep raw data out of Git, put preprocessing and model code under SRC, and notebooks for exploration. Once organized, create environment declarations like requirements, txd or environment. IML so installations are reproducible. Make sure to version model weights outside Git or use Git large file storage. Also add tests and small sample data so continuous integration can validate code changes automatically when contributors push updates. Finish by automating validation and documenting usage. You set up GitHub Actions to run unit tests, Flake 8, and a quick training smoke test on push. This prevents regressions. Once done, expand README with running commands, expected outputs, and example results so users reproduce experiments. Finally, if something fails, check CI logs first, then verify environment and dependency pins. Recreate the environment locally or in a container to isolate issues. This single troubleshooting step resolves most reproducibility problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.